Let's get one thing straight. In 2026, having a personal brand is no longer optional. If you're a creator, coach, or indie entrepreneur, people don't just buy your product, they buy you. Your ideas, your perspective, your credibility. And if your personal brand isn't engaging, clear, and trusted, you'll feel invisible on even the best platforms. So today, I'm breaking down how to build an engaging personal brand in 2026 without pretending to be someone you're not and without burning out trying to keep up. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is this. A personal brand is not a highlight reel. It's not perfect photos. It's not constant motivation quotes. It's not pretending everything is working all the time. An engaging personal brand is built on clarity. People follow brands that help them understand something, themselves, their problem, or their next step. So the first move is to get clear on one thing. What problem do people associate with your name? If someone sees your content and can't immediately answer that, your brand will struggle. Clarity beats creativity every time. The second step is choosing one audience, not everyone. Trying to speak to everyone is the fastest way to sound generic. Engaging personal brands are built for a specific person with a specific problem at a specific stage. When your audience feels like you're talking directly to them, engagement happens naturally. Because relevance creates connection. The third step is consistency, but not the kind most people think. Consistency is not posting every day. Consistency is repeating the same core message for the same audience in different ways. Your audience should recognize your ideas before they recognize your face. That's how trust is built. The fourth step is to stop trying to look like an expert and start acting like a guide. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with progress. Share what you're learning. Explain how you think. Break down decisions. Talk through mistakes and lessons. When you teach from experience instead of ego, your brand becomes relatable, and relatable brands grow faster. The fifth step is designing content that invites interaction. Engagement doesn't come from talking at people. It comes from talking with them. Ask better questions. Invite opinions. Address common objections. Respond to comments with intention. When people feel seen and heard, they stay. The sixth step is building trust before asking for attention. In 2026, people are skeptical. They've seen too many promises, too many gurus, too many shortcuts. So your brand must earn trust by being useful before being promotional. Teach before you sell. Explain before you pitch. Give clarity before asking for commitment. Trust is the real algorithm. The seventh step is having a clear point of view. If your opinions are safe, forgettable, or copied, your brand won't stand out. You don't need to be controversial. You need to be clear. What do you believe works? What do you think is broken? What would you do differently? Strong personal brands aren't built on trends, they're built on perspective. Now here's the most important truth. You don't need to be everywhere to build a strong personal brand in 2026. You need one primary platform, one clear message, and one consistent system. Depth beats reach. Focus beats noise. Because people don't follow brands that try to do everything. They follow brands that stand for something. So if you want to build an engaging personal brand in 2026, remember this. Be clear, not clever. Be consistent, not everywhere. Be useful, not promotional. Be real, not perfect. That's how personal brands grow, even in crowded markets. Like the video, subscribe, and stay connected. Because the strongest brands in 2026 won't be the loudest. They'll be the clearest.